You wake up expecting today to feel like Christmas, a day filled with lights, music, warmth, and celebration, a day almost the entire world recognizes, but something feels unusual. There are no decorations outside, no glowing trees, no carols, no nativity scenes, no sign of Jesus anywhere. Instead, everywhere you look, you see the face of one woman, a portrait framed in red, her image printed on poster, and her name spoken with quiet reverence. Kim Jong Suk, the mother of Kim Jong Il and the grandmother of Kim Jong Un, and according to the state, the sacred mother of the revolution. Today isn't Christmas, not here, not in this country, because here, on December 24th, people celebrate her birthday instead. Students line up to place flowers at her statue, workers gather for speeches about her heroic life, homes tune into state programs retelling her story. And so, on the day of the rest of the world celebrate Christmas, you are standing in one of the few places on Earth where Christmas isn't ignored, it's erased. This is how North Korea celebrates Christmas. To understand North Korea's relationship with Christmas today, we have to look at the side of its history that many people don't know. Before the Korean War, Christianity was not just present in the north, it was thriving. Pyongyang was once called the Jerusalem of the East. Churches lined on the street, mission schools taught thousands of students, and Christmas service filled the entire districts. This history matters because it shows that North Korea wasn't always a place where religion was forbidden, but that changed rapidly when the new regime began reshaping the society. The state needed one ideology and one loyalty, and one story that everyone must follow. Christianity, with its global network, its emphasis on faith above the state, and its growing influence was seen as a threat. So, piece by piece, the new government dismantled the religious culture of the North, and Christmas was one of the first traditions to disappear. Most countries that don't celebrate Christmas just simply ignore it. But North Korea doesn't ignore Christmas, it replaces it, and the replacement itself is intentional. December 24th, Christmas Eve, is officially designated as the birthday of Kim Jong Suk, the revolutionary wife of Kim Il-sung. She is portrayed as a national mother figure and a symbol of purity, sacrifice, and loyalty. For the regime, her story served a purpose. It reinforced loyalty to the ruling family. It offers a state-approved narrative for December. It removed the possibility of Christmas becoming meaningful again.
Running a double twisting interrupted 4, flying 2.5 with a combo tuck and pike. High degree of difficulty.
By promoting this holiday, the state ensures that people associate late December not with religion, but with revolutionary devotion. This is why in the North Korea, you won't hear the word Christmas, you won't see decoration or celebration. The day does not exist in public life. Instead, the focus is entirely on Kim Jong Suk Day. North Korea does not simply discourage religion, it controls it at every level. The government monitors belief the same way it monitors speech, workplace behavior, and even family relationship. In this system, owning a Bible is illegal, sharing religious ideas is illegal, meeting in a group for prayer is illegal, and teaching children about religion is illegal. Any sign of religious activity is treated as a threat to state authority. This is why the ideas of Christmas is sensitive. Christmas represents a story the state did not create, a celebration the state cannot control, and a symbol of hope that does not come from the ruling family. So, instead of allowing the holiday exist, the government removed it completely from schools, workplace, and national calendars, and in its place, the state created its own traditions that support the image of the leadership and reinforce the personality cult. So, what does the holiday season look like in a country without holidays? For most families, December feels like any other month. People still work, factories still operate, schools still hold regular programs. But there are a few differences. Around December 24th, students practice speeches honoring Kim Jong Suk, workplace display banner with revolutionary slogans, state TV airs documentaries about her life, and community meetings discuss her legacy. There are no gifts, no celebrations, no family gathering around a particular day. Instead, the end of December is used to strengthen the national unity and reinforce devotion to the ruling family. It is not a festive time, it is a political time. And yet, Christmas has not disappeared completely. It survived, quietly, secretly, inside a small underground network. These are the Christians who remain in North Korea today. They are not allowed to pray in groups, they cannot sing hymns, they cannot display symbol of faith. So, their gathering look very different from Christmas in the rest of the world. A secret Christmas might include a family whispering a prayer together, reading a hidden Bible page in candlelight, sharing a quiet moment of gratitude, simply acknowledging the date in silence. There are no decoration, no music, no outward sign of celebrations. It is Christmas stripped of everything except meaning. And this observance happened only in the most trusted circles, because discovery could mean imprisonment, forced labor, or worse. For many underground believers, Christmas is not a holiday. It is a test of faith, a reminder of something they cannot say aloud but still hold in their hearts. The contrast is striking. In most countries, Christmas is everywhere, in music, decorations, celebrations, and family traditions. But in North Korea, December is not a celebration. It is a reminder of how much the state controls what people can believe, what they can say, what they can celebrate, and what history is allowed to exist. For outsiders, it may feel shocking that one of the world's biggest holidays simply does not exist for an entire nation. But for ordinary North Korea, this is normal. It is the only December they have ever known. North Korea's relationship with Christmas reveals something bigger than just a banned holiday. It shows how a government can reshape history, culture, and even time itself. It shows how powerful a story can be powerful enough that the state must control it. And it reminds us that even in the most restrictive societies, traditions can survive quietly, through memory, through faith, and through the people who refuse to let them disappear. Christmas in North Korea is not visible, it is not loud, it is not public, but in small, hidden corner of the country, it still exists, not as a celebration, but as a whisper. So, while the world celebrates Christmas with lights, music, and joy, there is a place where holidays look very different. A place where December 24th belongs not to a religious tradition, but to a political story. And a place where those who still believe must hold their faith quietly, carefully, and courageously. This is North Korea during Christmas, a silent December in a country where even holidays serve a purpose far beyond celebration. In the end, this story isn't just about a holiday, it's about how culture, belief, and power interact in ways we don't always see. Stories like this are often more complex than they seem. Thank you so much for watching. If you have additional information or a different perspective, feel free to discuss in the comment section.